How to replenish load. One of the most important aspects of your V-Mobile business is about your use of load wallets. Load wallets are your virtual credits where all prepaid transactions are debited each time you order products. It would be to your advantage if you make sure that you have enough load wallet credits at all times. There are several easy ways to replenish your load wallet. You can ask any technopreneur or any independent business operator to replenish your account. You can transfer payment to V-Mobile via Union Bank Bills Payment Facility. This may be made over the counter or through ATM. You can send payments to V-Mobile Technologies by depositing desired amount to V-Mobile's accredited banks. To replenish load wallets through bank deposits, just follow these 3 easy steps. Step 1. Deposit over the counter through any of the following banks and their branches nationwide. Interbranch deposit fees are waived. Union Bank, UBP, Banco de Oro, BDO, Bank of the Philippine Islands, BPI. V-Mobile's account numbers for each bank can be found in your quick guide brochures. Step 2. After making the deposit, a reload notification must be immediately sent to the Load Extreme system. Just type LX space reload space your ID number / your PIK / amount deposited / bank / branch / bank account number / date / time. Here are a few important things you need to remember. Make sure that your ID number and PIK are correct. Minimum deposit amount should be 500 pesos. Use the correct bank and branch combination where you made the deposit. The bank account number should indicate the correct V-Mobile's bank account number where you made the deposit. The date format should be in month-date-year format. Lastly, time should indicate the time you made your deposit. This can be seen from the copy of the bank deposit slip. Step 3. Make sure that all the information you entered are correct. Then send the SMS command to your assigned gateway. You will receive an SMS notification from Load Extreme system once your account is credited. Congratulations! Now you can buy or sell prepaid loads and start earning.